Ning corruption and everything, yangs. Love the ning kala for auditor to carry, auditor to BAC. Because if you're in the world of finance, you know role of auditors is to expose corruption and ila dogo moleti to do audit. Forbidden you know kalabante yala jonga nin jeng and sirifo sonko for auditor to jebang. Where the auditors? For auditor for dabe kuria kono.
Internal auditor bije ikafa Suleiman Bari. Sol Bari. He is probably one of the most honest guys I found at that BAC. Very honest. And very yajele ibela nyum corruption umumela.
Ha.
I kelo kele kanyimbe sambanung sirifoya. But he realized ko these people is of no use. So Akaminke, he would write his report. Missing these are the millions. Well, I name a commission of inquiry loader. Every one of this information in him because he was their star witness. Lungo lo ashita sa fo nyin. I fengu be itandil. Anung kabirin dol nada. Atet doron neketa the general to me alonko from the establishment ngamentharaje me alonko was willing to stand with me and fight.
Wow, well done to him. Well done.
Yes, to him. Yes. Labo jonganen jenka fo mole ko ha ne chairman kanyum ko long Suleiman jenneke Suleiman Bari la ka be fo. Bayalo sol kamin fo.
Wow, Suleiman Bari mo banku din kendoleti.
Banku din kende ba baye sol fo je. Ndeko fengol londe sol fo mamillo.
Wow.
Wala na sol ko yalong alma me understand. You underestimated this boy. You underestimate his level of intelligence. And then how he studied. Yalon jonga kodole I am a quick learner. But he doesn't understand. Before 2 months, I had mastered everything about BAC. I know.
But it's loyalty.
Exactly. Exactly. And I dealt with a more sophisticated system in UK than that.
UK. Yeah.
You know, even though they're outside, but I was fighting that system here. They were making decisions. Me, I was questioning it every day.
Yeah.
So I knew it told me I was wrong. So I had to stamp my feet and say, we have to end it. But Suleiman Bari was number one.
Yeah.
You know, so the team was the chairman's office and the auditor's team against all the other departments of BAC. The admin section. You know, and then Kabirin Kelot had a 4 kilo dude. Jonga, beginning they were blaming me and Saul, but there was a time here Saul approached. He called Saul here, look, we know that this chairman listens to you. Mistakes happen at the past, you know. So many mistakes. They offered, you could all be offered 60 million now after 60 million. So you know, but I told Saul, guy, Saul, you know, may understand. I lived in the West for so long as a young man. I was in the UK, and I was fed up of the white people making us feel like black people we are not intelligent and we can never develop our African. Yeah, we all live in the bush. That's when I felt like, you know what, Africa, we need to be like the West so that these people can respect us. So Nkaiko, for me, the fight is about how we emancipate ourselves. This is a bigger fight than just Jonga and Jeng. Guy, for me, the fight is we need to build West Coast into, let's say, Birmingham or Leeds or any of those cities in the UK from our own hard-earned revenue. And then we stand on our own feet. I said, Barrow and his people think that I'm fighting them. I'm not fighting Barrow and others. This fight is beyond Barrow and others. For me, it's a pride of black pride.
Is it Barrow a famous word? Legacy.
Legacy, yes. And then Yalon, this whole thing came to me when I read about Essay Anta Job and black history at Hanswood College. I was like, you know what? Black people, we need to do something, you know. So this issue of black emancipation and black liberation, black fight and Pan-Africanism got into me. And I was like, you know what? We need to fight.
But Imange Yaya Jamela Pan-African style of it.
No. Well, I think I don't talk about Yaya Jama. I have no business with him. my my business is with Barrow, and the only reason why I have business with him is because of the position I've been whole can.
But ila brother lo, mama mas la brother lo.
Sama la brother. I was for the last time I got na brother and guy do offended the naman dahan the mara. Guys,
aga find no koto bro.
Nga naman dahan the mara. Ako yung minangkay yung mano in the sorong. I so many times I love come far. Lungo la ben you know man. Then we marry with him brother. I'm not related to him. I have no relation whatsoever with him.
Yes. Saying na development recently. Ngaje aliye kata ko kemean is unprecedented in Brikama Area Council. Kata ward money so 28 wards aliye 500,000 dila kill momo 500,000. What are that kanyang 14 million. Okay. The development of. So Lafite explain more for wards all billion 500,000 or sort of bank. Right aliadi belaban for doluma sort of bank for bele asoro right now.
Bele asoro. Bele asoro. Word bele asoro. Word so dolfan alhamdulillah dolula e 250k garden all leto ka boholol ke garden all to musolla na ko to mini alon ko wol ke bulo leta ka jobi every time and wol ke balu wol to samatil kan ka fifengol le doje te wa fe marseau so say ni dara wol bulal jibe imaje na kanslo membe sintet amadi tamba ay ko man na ko nye chairman na ko nye sate wonyo nyina da dola ko nye la gadino bandala ko nye bar wol ko fo e fon la sinani gadino ena inaugurate because he left bendung der nyala mi ala kumara wa ngay no bokela but you see the reason why I want development in this way because West Coast region ballot and the revenue is there and then nseku jamale keno mi alonko unfortunately nyen sangulu mimbe tambera e kambale alale tilimbale anen tajinte ya kan wala yatne ka mol balal because denga campaign ke West Coast mume konon ni fura da foni most of musol kamin kumbo wala nyindiko ni mini e boholo so la boholo la masingol tinyata be kan na ko dono anu musol le ka nyindo ko ke andi ka eka benefit so je but also eka enjoyment of an so je because ni fura je akake bantabalti fanan Kano J is a don kilo lano J kanyo entertain kanyo ikakuja male kenoje so the garden nying muila bantabalti it becomes like a social center for them socializing center for them so ngaje ko anu ni ka de la garden de katrle ikabata bake ka jio bijana ka sambana nyana so council nyandale ngedem awoto and we are not doing it. We've not been doing it. Near Jinin Gaiko, Brikama area council nene munaganyam mafon, a camel and Tolwell man fenja. Kaberin Brikama area council tolot, Ndolneman fenjan nanyam mafon, and Mingalonko Brikama area council. So Najeko, Nil Lafa development, every ward councilor, Kabiria elect, and in Hamolanat, ala area to Ila Hidul Leta Kave Venga. No woman fence or Abemi Murundala Molia for 5 good years or every year. Development over Kelano. So what I'm going to we are going to start with what development. Kabiranga did in the beginning. Most of them are made a former talent fall. But the day that it happened, Kabiranga it all from Dolko about Chia Tonya Mambet. Iko Benjin Kalal and Duyaka. This year, we have to aim even bigger. Next year, I want 500,000 to be $5 million. Nimmo I will go for 1 million each ward. And every year, 1 million will go to every ward.
Yeah.
Then 4 or 5 years, feminal me alunka futala mobile everywhere. Amankeko nyimu youngs double generosity lady or something. This is what you voted me to do. It's the job.
Mola kodo.
Yeah, and the neajen ka kodo nyim fena is because we want what kodo nye murung ay development of fena nyeje. Because ninde killing ko mbake la ntake non. But ning group ka as a collectively nga kodo namojo manzea mansaka wo demarol futanina. Banko be dala nyado. Mansakunda banyo ndaka nyine gamole. Andu kami for gameno de. If Brikama area council can do this for you, Imagine how much the government is supposed to do for us.
I feel like a UDP elected chairman can do this, or mayor.
Can do this, yes.
Well,
Yes.
imagine what the UDP-led government will do for Ghana.
Imagine Sol Lundo, yalla Sol bari akonyo ko yalla jonga nyo 11-5. Jonga kay no ko one time akay Sol. Akay ite be jigri yamera. Yin chairman akay nga chairman jamala jenina ta inya kuto ka patarle. Bari bebe team la akay ko akay they said the new broom cleans better, but the old broom knows all the corners of the house.
Bandiolum. So, but Sambita West Coast Ngola Ninkaro letter. Modoko ako foye mechanism sotole nyin kurumendi ni ward sola. 500,000. Is there any mechanism that you would put in place to monitor how these monies given to the VDCs will be spent and how they will retire it for transparency purposes? According 500,000 mendi for ibe monitoring mechanism ke jele banka ibe kurul be utilize the nyame, you know, pour ka kurul ni enquête because more la kurulam dole
yes.
ko ni nga fana mo west ngolti.
Yes. I mean, coming nga funu nyami ñing kodol boda dimbala kon. Yalo nga fo nga kilo mi beta. Pour ka ñing kodol solo no. So ngo kodol di la momola. Mandra di ke la for free. Da bonde la jongonyol bul nga di another person na memba ke la ko mi jongonyol. And that doesn't make sense. So mechanisms bi jele the country yalo nga di ward development committee le la nga ke wolle la account doldo. Ward development committee la chairman ol moy la council le de mi yalon ko moli ol elect. So wo chairman ol wo chairman ol ye fengo fensang. E ka resito be tale ya fenke ya be la nyoka. And then there is a council ol fangola group ol bije ka for me development committee. If the council ol wolle be no account la follow, then do ko nyim bebe ke kan the council la department of planning and development department wolle fanam be do ko nyimbe monitor la wolmu one monitoring team ledi and then council la council development committee fanam mu fenko ta tonde fan another monitoring team so number 3 central committee council council yela kodo ke nyangonyang wala na we are even doing a documentary. A documentary will come out because Badaranyol, they're working on that. So documentary, each word, Kodo Nyundunda project on Mingone Babe documentary in a video. So it will come out. People will see everything. So Council of Minumake, they will be found out. And then they will be found out. Momo Makevana number 2, next year there is going to be even more money going back to those words. If you don't deliver, we're not giving anything back to you. They know all of that. So mantra silanimko, they will try, but they will fail.